Good tagline for the promo.
Fantastic. Okay, now we're recording.
Okay, cool. You know what they always say? Birds of a feather.
They don't say that, Kate. They don't say that. That's not.
Like Michael.
Yeah, it'll be fine in a minute.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell. One of these days I am gonna fall and it's gonna like get us to go viral. I think.
Ah!
Hey everyone, today we're gonna build fall crafts with big. Oh, that's too loud. That's
You
too
need to
loud.
introduce yourself.
Oh yes.
Okay, so try it again.
Start everyone. My name is Kate and I'm product development manager here at Plus Plus. And today we're gonna build some fall crafts out of big pieces. Whoa. It's so loud.
This. If I do this in reverse, it's like you're pulling it out.
Plus game night.
You compose myself.
So you wouldn't want to write anything down.
So another fun family game.
Okay, we're recording.
Sorry, Fiona.
I know.
So just let's see the camera, Christian.
Yeah, they're both.
3.
Happy holidays!
Yay!
Alright, let me see if I can hold on.
Creepy critter snack bags.
Today we are going to be building the creepy critters. We have Bolt,
Yes.
Bolt, Mom, Grim. Okay, so let's get started.
And I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our Northern Lights tube. It is new as of this year. It's really,
It is.
go find yours today and have fun building.
That's it.
Hopefully.
That's it. You got it. Yay.
Kate, spin. Don't fire your feet on the ground.
Did you guys get a lot of Plus Plus for Christmas?
Do you want to do the speaking of that and then I'll just go, yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, you're good at improvising.
Slay my goose.
Can you show this camera? No, down. There. Perfect. Oh, yes.
He looks a little whack, but that's what makes him quack.
Like, hi, I'm Kate, and I am Kate. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Or thanks for playing with us. Thanks for playing with us.
To make sure that your store is on the map with all the right information, so it goes.
Oh, you almost had it!
Almost had it. Okay.
Hey, Kate.
Hey, Jasmine.
Hi. Do you want to hear a joke?
Absolutely.
What event do spiders like to attend? Webbings.
Oh! Webbings. I see him. He's getting fancy now.